DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Really means something to me. You should know how much I care. From the time I fell for you, will you accept my apology? I forgot to give you love. Oh yeah.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
You and your smiling face really means something to me. You should know how much I care. From the time I fell for you, will you accept my apology? I forgot to give you love. Oh yeah. Say I forgot to give you love. Will you let me talk to you? Just for a minute or two. How could I let you go away? And I know I need you all the way. Will you accept my apology? I forgot to give you love. Oh yeah. Say I forgot to give you love.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
They never love nobody. Not even themselves. They never love nobody. Oh.
Shida.
Not even themselves. Good God. The system dread. But them a happen you. Yeah, yeah. The system dread. Yeah. But them a happen you. In the marketplace. Them a happen you. Even on the street, my friend, hey, them still a hustle you, yeah. They never love nobody, oh.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Not even themselves. They never love nobody, oh. Good God, yeah. In my neighborhood, oh, oh. In my neighborhood, oh, oh. The system dread.
Got to be a conscious man.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
When you fall in love, just be a conscious man. When you fall in love, you got to be a conscious man.
Shida.
When you fall in love, fall in love with someone who doesn't love you, they use you as a puppet on a string. Look into yourself, my friend. Try to get wise and be a conscious one. When you fall in love, you got to be a conscious one. When you fall in love, the Solomon was wise, but he couldn't find the secret of a woman. Oh yeah, it is true. Some slow was strong and deceived. Oh yes, by a woman. Oh yeah, can't you see? Look into yourself, my friend. Try to get wise. Don't let the woman get you down. Just be a conscious one. When you fall in love, you got to be a conscious one. When you
DJ
fall in
DarkPrince,
love,
the Fun Master.
Can be broken by someone
Shit down.
as you. I'm so in love with you. I don't know what to do. Don't wanna be the shoe of Samson. Poor Samson. The heart of a man can be broken by someone as sweet as you. I'm so in love with you. I don't know what to do. Don't wanna be the shoe of Samson. Poor Samson. The heart of a man can be captured by someone as sweet as you. For darling, I am strong. So was that man called Samson until he was cut down by Delilah.
Now come here to preach revelation, but me come here to preach some botheration. Me now come here to preach revelation, but me come here to preach some botheration.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Me yard, sir. Mr. Brown took my wife and he gone. Me say something happen at me yard, sir. Mr. Brown take my wife and he gone. Mr. Brown take my wife and he gone, sir. And then left me on the four children down here.
Shit
Brown
down.
take my wife and he gone, sir. And then left me on the four children down here. Me say, Lord, what me I go do now? Me have to stay, remind me children. Me say, Lord, what me going to do now? Me have to stay, remind me children. Come me say, one a week we holla, one a bar, chuchi bodo. Some a week we holla, some a bar, chuchi boda come. Some a week we holla, some a bar, chuchi bodo. Some a week we holla, some a bar, chuchi boda come. Alright, I wanted you, baby, said I wanted you. Hi.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Living in
Open street, I'm in love with the boy next door. Sitting in my bedroom, looking through the window. Just wanna see him as he passes by. Oh, why, won't you stop a while? I'm in love with the boy next door. I'm in love with him, that's for sure. He's my next door neighbor.
Okay.
Living in number 10, number 12 is the boy next door.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Open street, I'm in love with the boy next door. Sitting in my bedroom, looking through the window. Just wanna see him as he passes by. Oh, why, won't you stop a while? I'm in love with the boy next door. I'm in love with him, that's for sure. He's my next door neighbor, and I'm in love with him. He's my next door neighbor, and I'm in love with him.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Never sleeps, just goes deeper. One-way love. It pulls you in, takes you down. And I wish I knew what I had to do to get into your life, to get close to you. But baby, it's a one-way love. One-way love. If you could only see me as I see you, one-way love. To feel the way I feel tonight, and I can't go on living up those lives, making all the plans to keep the tears from my eyes. Oh baby, it's a one-way love. So don't turn away and say that it's over. I'm falling like I never knew. And I can't pretend, for I keep remembering everything that we've been through. One-way love, it leaves you jealous, cold and lonely. One-way love, it lives alone, it breaks your heart. And I don't know how I can take the pain, turning over and over and over again. And baby, it's a one-way love.
She prettier than me, baby. Was it simply fate?
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Baby, and it took you away. I'm still in love with you, babe. That ain't no lie. You took all the love I gave you, and you still made me cry. Oh, such sweet memories of how we used to be. The warming thought they had me so now empty heart, empty bed. How what I have left, but there's no meaning to me. Was it something I did? Was it something I said that made you feel the way you do? Can't you tell me what's wrong? Was my loving too strong? Darling, what am I to do? I can't help dreaming of being so very close to you, my love. I wish my dream was real. Now I'm alone. You walked and ran away with love, and here I am today. What can I say? I love you, love you. Was she prettier than me, baby? Or was it simply fate that she came along that day, baby, and took you away? You said I had your lady, babes, can't you
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
see?
There'll be no strings to bind your hands, not if my love can find your heart.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
And there's no need to take a stand. It was I who chose to start. I see no reason to take me home. I'm old enough to face the dawn. Just call me angel of the morning, angel. Just touch my cheeks before you leave me alone. Just call me angel of the morning, angel. Then slowly turn away from me.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun
Maybe the
Master.
sunlight will begin. It doesn't matter anyhow. If morning's echoes stay within, it was what I wanted now. And if we're victims of the night, I won't be blinded by the light. Just call me angel of the morning, angel. Just touch my cheeks before you leave me, baby. Just call me angel of the morning, angel. Then slowly turn away.
I've been alone with you inside my head, and in my dreams I kiss your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. You've all I've ever wanted, and my arms are she could. But when she said she'd marry me, but now she is gone. But now she is gone. She's gone, she's gone, she's gone. She broke my heart for another guy, and she broke my heart for another guy, for another guy, for another guy. A guy who under crushed her. The information has been leaking so far.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Okay. So one morning in a morning light, she looked as sweet as she could. But when she said she'd marry me, but now she is gone. But now she is gone. She's gone, she's gone, she's gone. She broke my heart for another guy, and she broke my heart for another guy, for another guy, for another guy. Guy you under crushed. The information has been leaking so far. Leaking. She said I'm listening until I bite a crushed.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Going on. I'd rather be alone. I'd rather be alone. I'll stay without a kiss, without love. If she wants me to buy that crashed I saw in the paper, she mustn't include me. I'll stay without love. Did you hear the news? But did you hear the news? But did you hear the news? How can someone buy a gun and sell it again? Everybody wants to know. Everybody wants to know. And the Papa wants to know. Even you want to know. Some people are still undecided. But forgive them, love, for they don't know what they are doing. Viva Simba, Viva Simba, Viva Simba, Viva Simba.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
I can feel your arms around me, holding me close to your heart. I can see that smile upon your face, but I can hear no loving words from your lips. 'Cause you think that I'm easy. You want to take me and love me and leave me with a broken heart. But that won't be easy, 'cause I won't let you just love me and leave me with a broken heart.
Holla at your DJ on 0746536090. Boom.
I can feel your arms around me, holding me close to your heart. I can see that smile upon your face,
DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Dream lover, where are you? Made a love oh so true, and a hand that I can hold. See you live as I propose, 'cause I want to call my own. I want a dream lover, so I don't have to dream alone. Someday, I don't know how, I hope you hear my plea. Some way, I don't know how, he'll bring his love to me. Oh, dream lover, until then, I wanna sleep and dream again. That's the only thing to do, till all my lovers become true. 'Cause I want to call my own. I want a dream lover, so I don't have to dream alone.
Give my regards to the girl in the black limousine.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Give her my regards, tell her she's the girl of my dream.
Okay.
Tell her that I love her, want her to be by my side. Tell her that I need her, I want her by my side. Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards. Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards. Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards. Give my regards to the girl in the black limousine. Give her my regards and tell her she's to be my queen. Tell her that I love her, want her to be by my side. Tell her that I need her, I want her by my side.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards. Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards.
I go to people's club, I said I do the rubber dub. 2 on the left and I said 2 on the right. I go to Ace's club, I said I want the rubber dub. 2 on the right and I said 2 on the left. Let me have ya, baby. Let me hold you, baby. See, turn down them lights low. I love to keep on flow. Let me have ya, baby. Come let me love you. See, only all night long to be my only one. I got to beat the scrub, I want the rubber dub. 2 on the left and I said 2 on the right. I got to hit the scrub, I want the rubber dub. 2 on the left and I said 2 on the right. I go to Nation Club, I said I want the rubber dub. Rub and go down man and with the band come up. Let me have ya. See, baby.
But a woman just to cook and sell, and I know she were doing well. And as her name started to swell, she said that Ducky I gave her hell.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
The Ducky bring back a half a brick. She take up a piece of lot. The Ducky man laugh till he nearly dead. She said, why me head? I said, I love the thing me know then. Because when I turn around, a lizard were right here in my bed. She said, why me head? I said, I love the thing me know then. Because when
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
There was a woman used to cook and sell, and I know she were doing well. And as her navel started to swell, she said that Duffy a give her hell. So she licked him with a piece of stick. The Duffy fling back a half a brick. She take up a piece of lot. The Duffy man laugh till he nearly dead. She said, why me head? I said, I lucky thing me no dead. Because when I turn around, a lizard were right there in my bed. She said, why me head? I said, I lucky thing me no dead. Because when I turn around, a lizard were right there in my bed. Spread out a big white sheet with plenty rice and goat meat. And the dopey them coming one by one, but the bad one was out. So she asked them where he is. He said he out the street drinking beer. So she set them hand by hand. The drunk one come and mash up them plan. She said, why me head? I said, I lucky thing me no dead. Because when I turn around, a lizard were right there in my bed. She said, why me head? I said, I lucky thing me no dead. Because when I turn around, a lizard were right there in my bed.
Yeah, Barnyard Entertainment.
Daily I've been working so hard, working hard to make life worthwhile. But you just can't wait for the time for me to give you the world with a smile. I can't give you the world, my love, for the world don't belong to me. What I have I will give to you, I will give you the stars above. Working every day, yes, I'm working for the girl I love. Working every day, yes, I'm working for the girl I love.
Select a Mamu'S.
Friends have got their beautiful homes, pretty cars and lots of nice things. So you think you should have the same? I will buy you a diamond ring.
Select a Mamu'S.
Good things come to those who wait. Exercise patience in your life. Forget about what your friends have got. We will make it one day, just us faith. Working every day. Yes, I'm working for the girl I love. Working every day. Yes, I'm working for the girl I love. Oh, oh, oh. I'd start life all over again. Sometimes I find it hard to begin, but my ambition show me the way. Now I'm happy, I don't need a thing. I am enjoying the sweetness of life. I am tasting the sweetness of wine. Good things come to those who wait. I'm so happy that now you are mine.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Yes, I'm working for the girl I love. Working every day. Yes, I'm working for the girl I love. Oh, 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 yeah. Yo, child. I love you when I get you.
Give me a little space, let me walk.
Shit down.
For your back. You crowding me, I can't stand the maddening crowd, no. Them gone like crap in a barrel. Everywhere you turn, them a quarrel.
than a war in the maddening crowd. I want to be free, yes. Take a quiet walk with me, yeah. Give me a little room, let me breathe. Give me a little breeze to me. The running's too hot for my feet. Oh, yo, yo. I got to get away, yes. Oh, yo, yo. I see you there, yes. You get up in the morning, the maddening crowd. You get up in the evening, the maddening crowd. You get up in the night and the maddening crowd. You get up in the morning, the maddening. Oh, yo, yo. You got to get away, yes. Oh, yo, yo. I see you there.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
You would know the love I have to give you. Your mind would have blown. Little thing you said to me, really means a lot. I try so hard to resist, but my love is right and pure for you. If you could read my mind, Lolita, you would know the love I have to give you. Your mind would have blown. Heaven must have sent you an angel from the sky for me. There's no doubt in my heart you're the one to set me free. Oh, if you could read my mind, Lolita, you would have known the love I have to give you. Your mind would have blown.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Nobody know where this is going. Lost my happiness a few months ago. Where did it go? Nobody know. I lost my happiness a few months ago, yeah. Where did it go? Nobody know. Nobody know, nobody know. Nobody know, nobody know. This little woman is a run around. She's been running all over town. We used to meet up at the roundabout. All of a sudden she sent me out. Where did she go? Nobody know. Nobody know, nobody know. Nobody never know, nobody know. Nobody know, nobody know. The woman been doing me wrong, but my love for her is strong. She will hurt me so many times, but I just can't get her off my mind. Where did she go? Nobody know. Nobody never know. Nobody know. Nobody know. Nobody know. Nobody know. Nobody know. Nobody know. Where did she go?
You're not gonna use me no more. You're not gonna use me no more. That me know for sure.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
No more. That me know for sure. You're not gonna use me no more. That me know for sure. Time has changed. The table has turned. I'm not your convenience anymore. You're not gonna use me no more. That me know for sure. You're not gonna use me no more. That me know
DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
No more. That me know for sure. You not gonna leave me no more. That me know for sure. Ever since I met you, my heart goes out for you. Oh yes. Ever since I met you, I have a feeling that I never had before. I love the way you walk, and I love the way you talk. I even love to see you smile. So stop with me for a while, yes. Ever since I met you, I'm no longer feeling blue. Ever since I met you, you treated me so nice. I love to kiss your lips, and I love to stare in your eyes. I even want to hold you tight and make love to you all night, yeah.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
in last September, then lost my lover in December. Oh, bless my soul, what is wrong with me? Why must I be in this misery? Only the lonely knows what I mean. Only the lonely knows how I feel. When you're in love with someone and they've walked out and left you, all you're left with is a broken heart. I have done nothing to offend her, yet she walked out one cold December. I can't believe she could be so mean when we had a love so strong and sweet. Deep in my heart, I know I love her. Now that she's gone, I'm crying for her. When you're in love with someone and they've walked out and left you, all you're left with is a broken heart.
Suddenly you came into my life.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Something must have happened. Did she let you down? Suddenly you came running back to me, boy. Something must have happened last night. I told you once, I told you twice. Now you have to pay the price for your foolish mistake. But it's nice to have you back again. If it's just for a little while, I'll share this moment with you. 'Cause I'm still in love with you. Still in love with you. Suddenly, everything's so nice with you, boy.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Something must have happened. Did she let you down? Suddenly, you're telling me you love me. Something must have happened last night. I told you once, I told you twice. But it's nice to have you back again. If it's just for a little while, I'll share this moment with you. You swore to me you were my one and only.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun
Deep
Master.
inside, I knew it wasn't true. Since you've been gone, my days are cold and lonely. I just can't seem to want somebody new. As if I didn't know that you were lying, and that your game of love would cause me woe. In spite of all the times you left me crying, I'll play your game as if I didn't know. You swore to me you were my one and only. Though deep inside I knew it wasn't true. Since you've been gone, my days are cold and lonely. I just can't seem to want somebody
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Fire, baby.
as if I didn't know that you were lying, and that your game of love would cause me woe. In spite of all the times you left me crying, I'll play your game as if I didn't know. They warned me that someday I'd learn a lesson, and that a broken heart would be the cause. Believe me when I say that I'm confessing, I'm glad I loved you even though I've lost. As if I didn't know someday you'd hurt me. As if I couldn't tell you'd grieve me so. And even though it's true you did desert me, I still love you as if I didn't know.
Come on, baby, let's rock tonight. Rock me, baby, till broken light. Come on over and hold my hand. You've got to be my number one. Love is an happy feeling. Happy, happy, happy feeling.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Love is an happy feeling. Happy, happy, happy feeling. When you find the one that you love. You are so cute. You are so sweet. You really knock me off my feet. So rock me gently. Rock me slowly. Oh, darling, I love you so. Come on, baby, just move your feet. I like to rock to the reggae beat. You are the one for me. So just stand by me. Is it happy
You treat me bad, and you made me cry. You made me sad, and I wonder why.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
You're not acting like you used to do. You treat me bad. 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 You treat me very bad. you're not aware. For I tell you, girl, but you don't care. You treat me bad. 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 You treat me bad.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Aware of the mark of the beast in the sky. Oh yeah now. But there be terrible and dangerous things to turn man from the most high. Be aware. To the heights, be aware. Aware now. But there be terrible and dangerous things to turn man from the most high. Be aware. Judah, be aware. Whoa, you got the love of the Most High within. You got the love of humanity within. You got the spring of truth and rights within. And we have got to let it flow. From the tribe of Judah we are from, so we establish that's where we belong. From the Old Testament of Moses, yes, to the New Testament of John. None who stand for the Most High never make it without tribulation. None never make it without great
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
The mark of the beast in the sky. Oh yeah now. But there be terrible and dangerous things to turn man from the Most High. Be aware. To the eyes, be aware. Aware now. But there be terrible and dangerous things to turn man from the Most High.
Hey, they got the man who shot the sheriff, but they got to make the music play. They got the man who shot the sheriff, but our works will never fade away.
Holla at your DJ on 0746536090. Boom.
We are go hang on in there and play reggae music till it's number one. Let's stay with the reggae rhythm, cause this your inspiration is sent from the king. So we gon' stay with the reggae rhythm, cause this your reggae music make you dance and sing. Yeah, stay with the reggae rhythm, cause this your inspiration is sent from the king. So we gon' stay with the reggae rhythm, cause this your reggae music make you dance and sing. Oh yes, they got the man who used to prophesy, but his works will never go in vain. They got the man, but woman no cry, cause I'm messing here to stay. We're moving onward, and we ain't gonna stop. Rock reggae music till you reach the top. And if I egg, we have to in the red to drop this your rhythm. Heavy as lead, just stay with the reggae rhythm, cause this your inspiration is sent from the king. So we gon' stay with the reggae rhythm, cause this your reggae music make you dance and sing.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Cause this your inspiration is sent from the king. So we gon' stay with the reggae rhythm, cause this your reggae music make you dance and sing.
Suffering, suffering, suffering down in Africa land. This is a universal calling to all black men near and far. My people need better medical attention. My people need better education. Some doesn't know their own culture. Some doesn't know Rastafari. For instance, the people of Namibia, Somalia and Africa, over in Biafra, big South Africa too. My people need better medical attention. Got to help them. My people need better
doesn't know. They don't know. Some doesn't know. Rastafari. I want a love I can feel. That's the only kind of love I think is real.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Something I heard. Cause baby actions speak louder than words. I want the love that is mine. In the rain it's always sunshine. I love to keep me warm when it's cold. That kind of loving that will never go old. Don't you know I wanna love? 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 I want a love I can. That's the only kind of love I think is real.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
I want to be going by something I heard. 'Cause baby, louder than
Since you're gone, I don't know what to do. Why don't you say you're sorry and come over? Give love a try. Don't let me go by. Give love a try. Don't let me go by. My nights are lonely. I just feel the cold. Why don't you say you're sorry and come over? Give love a try. Don't let me go by. Give love a try. Don't let me go by.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
oh, Cara, I am but a fool. Darling, I love you. Though you treat me cruel. You hurt me and you made me cry. But if you leave me, I will surely die. Darling, there will never be another. Because I love you so. Don't ever leave me. Say you'll never go. I will always want you for my sweetheart. No matter what you do. Oh, Cara, I'm so in love with you. Darling, there will never be another. Because I love you so. Don't ever leave me. Say you'll never go. I will always hold you for my sweetheart. No matter what you do. Oh, Cara, I'm so in love with you. Darling, there will never be another. Because I love you so.
I didn't believe when I saw you.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
If I could see the
back of your brain, you could never, never break my heart, yeah. You let the words of others lead you astray. You should think twice before you answer. All you do is keep looking in space and dreaming your life away. I didn't believe you were leaving. When I saw you, you were acting strange. You let the words of others lead you astray and surely show you away. I didn't believe you were leaving. When I saw you, you were acting strange.
You say,
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
for me, you have been waiting. For me, you have been forwaiting. I must really admit it, that we have been meeting occasionally. But all we ever talk about is how much you would really care. If I could only cut my hair, then you would do anything that I asked of you. Delilah.
Holla at your DJ on 0746536090.
You
Boom.
say. For me, you have been waiting.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
You have been forwaiting. I must really admit it, that we have been meeting occasionally. But all we ever talk about is how much you would really care. If I could only cut my hair, then you would do anything that I asked of you. Delilah. You try to give me, can't give me away. You try to give me, can't give me away now.
Fire, baby.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Black John, Black John. Come from Africa. Black John, Black John. Come from Africa. First black man was from Africa. First black woman was from Africa. Black Jaw, Black Jaw.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Come from Africa. Black Jaw, Black Jaw. Come from Africa. Greetings, Africa. Yes, greetings.
Shida.
Greetings, Nigeria. Yes, greetings.
Just when I decide to change, you turn me down, baby. Just when I decide
me down, baby. That's when I decide to change. You turn me down, baby. What you gonna tell your mommy, say? What you gonna tell your daddy, say? Yesterday we were planning, today we are partying. Yesterday we were planning, today we are partying. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna say? Just when I decide to change, you turn me down, baby. Just when I decide to change, you let me down, baby.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Smile, even though inside you're aching, smile. Smile, even though your heart is aching, smile.
Fire, baby.
Smile, it will make you better. Pray, it will make you stronger. Enjoy your life to the full, I say, baby. Be kind, but don't let people abuse you. Trust, but don't let them deceive you, baby. Oh yeah. Be content, but never stop improving yourself. I say just smile, even though inside you're aching. Smile, smile, even though your heart is breaking. Smile, oh yeah. No one can block the blessing that I have for you. Oh. No one can stop the blessing that I have for you. I say, keep on smiling. It will make you stronger. Pray, my baby. It will make you stronger. I say, smile, even though inside. Smile, though your heart is breaking.
When you came and you told me you love me, should I notice you acted strangely? Did I know that you wanted a lover for a day?
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Even when my heart was captured, whole life and soul was shattered. Loved for one night, then you ran away. Yes, you did. Just when I thought of settling down. Just when I thought of settling down, you broke me down. Just when I thought of settling down, you put my whole world to the ground. Go away, do what you want, girl. Go ahead, destroying your soul. It may take you long, but someday you'll learn. Yes, you will. That you did that to one little heart, and you made one poor man feel sad. Within a little while, it will be your turn. Yes, your turn. Just when I thought of settling down, settling down. Just when I thought of settling down, you broke me down. Just when I thought of settling down, my whole world changed now.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Someone can maintain me. Oh yeah. Them come on your corner. Them a beg you sensei mania. Yeah. You give them sensei mania. Them a beg you a rizzler. Yeah. You give them the rizzler. Them a borrow your lighter. To give away, I don't feel no way. But every day you are come with the sensei. Me a beg you a split, me a beg you a cigarette, me a borrow your lighter, cause them a joker smoker, smoker, joker smoker. Smoking is a habit, some man can't maintain it. Oh yeah, them come on your corner, them a beg you sexy mania. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You give them sexy mania, them a beg you a rizzler. Cause them a joker smoker. Cause them a joker smoker. Joker smoker.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Got knocked down by a motorcycle in front of a motor vehicle. Luckily, I was Jaja's disciple. But I lay on the ground, I was so injured, so unconscious, did not know what to do. I lay on the ground, I was so injured, so unconscious, did not know what to do. Yeah, man, when the bike really hit me, I see stars and peony wally, and pain all over me.
Holla at your DJ on 0746536090. Boom.
Riding on my bicycle. Got knocked down by a motorcycle in front of a motor vehicle. Luckily, I was Jaja's disciple. But I lay on the ground, I was so injured, so unconscious, did not know what to do. I lay on the ground, I was so injured, so unconscious, did not know what to do. Yeah, man, when the bike really hit me, I see stars and peony wally, and pain all over me. Me think me get shocked by electricity. I lay down on the ground, I was so injured, so unconscious, did not know what to do. I lay on the ground, I was so injured, so unconscious, did not know what to do. Yeah, man, me said at the public hospital, crowd gather around like it was a funeral. Hey, element, some said a accidental. Hard along youth, I look on a fat girl. Hey, now.
There is something I wanna say to you tonight, tonight, tonight.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Will you meet me down at my apartamento tonight, tonight, tonight? I will make something specially for you, just like a lamb going to the slaughter. I make my way following this daughter. Knock, knock, she open up. And when I look between the creases, there was a man behind the door. Run, Joe.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
And if you tumble down, run, Joe. And if you buck your toe, run, Joe. Run, Joe. And if you buck your toe, run, Joe. And if you tumble down, run, Joe.
Fantastic idea. We'll do this down here. Why not?
Lie down in the bed, sexy daughter. Open your leg. I want a pop of water. Lie down on your back, little daughter. Open your foot. I wanna take a good look. Sweet, daughter. I want to pop the water. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Open your foot, little daughter. I want to take a good look in your cookbook.
Shida.
Feeling kinda fuckish, little daughter. Feeling kinda irate. I'm feeling sexy. Benjamin, Lord, I come again. Sweet fucking
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Mystic man in a Babylon system. Rastaman vibration in a Babylon system. Mystic man in a Babylon system. Rastaman vibration in a Babylon system. Rastaman no work for no CIA. Oh no. Rastaman no play politics. Rastaman is a man in what he say. Rastaman is no hypocrite. He's a mystic man in a Babylon system. Rastaman vibration in a Babylon system. Mystic man in a Babylon system. Rastaman vibration in a Babylon system.
Each dawn I watch the sun
DJ DarkPrince,
rise
the
in the
Fun
sky.
Master.
Another day's begun, and how will I get through this one? Washed in the morning light, it's all so clear. I made it through the night, convinced myself that you're still here. Although you're gone, I'll be someone that you can call and always rely on. And should you say, please stay away, I'll be certain.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Holla at your DJ on 0746536090. Boom.
Each dawn I watch the sun rise in the sky. Another day's begun, and how will I get through this one? Washed in the morning light, it's all so clear. I made it through the night, convinced myself that you're still here. Although you're gone, I'll be someone that you can call and always rely on. And should you say, please stay away, I'll be certain. And you never see me.
Enough of them I run up the mouth. Enough of them I say them are the best. But when it comes to the test, I know them I want this.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
When you take a rest, I leave it to the people to suggest who are the best, who are the best in a this contest.
Shida.
Enough of them I chat up the mouth. I have to sing and shout, cause if the words from my mouth that spread east, west, north and south. Oh, I come to tell you about this Johnny Big Mouth. I just run up the mouth and don't know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Whoa oh oh. Whoa oh oh. Oh oh oh. Whoa oh oh. Oh oh oh. Whoa oh oh. Whoa oh oh. Whoa oh. Whoa oh 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 oh. Enough of them I run up for them I say them are the best, but when it comes to the test, I know them I want this. Whoa,
DJ DarkPrince, the fun master.
When you take a rest, I leave it to the people to suggest who are the best, who are the best in a this year contest. No for them I chat up the mouth, I have to sing and shout, cause with the words from my mouth that spread east, west, north and south. Oh yeah, I come to tell you about this Johnny Big Mouth. Always run up the mouth and don't know what he's talking about. Oh,